Okay guys, now we are going to look how to write this equation in the single log. Okay, so now we have log of x plus log of b minus log y minus log d. If you can see, the logs all in the same base, which is log 10. Okay, so I can write it based on the logarithm rules of uh, product. So I can write it in this way, same base. So plus will be multiply, okay, minus will be divide. So I have write it in the single log. Okay, simple as that. I just perform it based on the product products rules for logarithm. Okay, now we have the second equation, whereby log 3x plus 2 minus log y. I also want to write it in the single log. Okay, for your information, 2 is also log 10 over 100. Okay, how? Why? Because log 10 is 2, so if you bring it in front, so log 10, so log power of 1, so it is 2. Okay, based on this concept, so I can write it log 3x plus log 100, okay, minus log y. So using the rules of the logarithm, I can group all this log. So log, here I have 3 multiplied by 100 is 300x divided by 1. So I have written it in the single log.